everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Okay, so isn't this obvious? So today I am going to share a wonderful cauliflower gravy recipe. This is a nice curry that you can enjoy with any main course of your choice. You can have it with chapatis, rotis, puris, even pulaus. So let's get started and check it out. I have kept all the ingredients ready for this recipe. I have taken one medium-sized cauliflower, chopped it into small-sized florets. Soak in hot water for about 3 minutes. Strain it and keep it aside. Transfer the clean florets to another bigger bowl. Add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, mix everything well and let it rest for about 5 minutes. To a pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil. Add the marinated cauliflower pieces and roast it for about 5 minutes on high flame. Once done, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. For preparing the masala, in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the whole spices, 1 piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 bay leaf and roast it. Now add about 2 onions chopped, 6 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger chopped and saute well. Once the onions are about half cooked, add about 15 cashew nuts and mix everything well. Adding cashew nuts will give a very nice, rich and creamy taste to the gravy. Now add 1 tomato, roughly chopped and cooked till it turns nice and mushy. Once cooked, turn off the stove, transfer it to a bowl and cool it completely. Once cooled, transfer it to a mixer jar, add a little water and grind everything to a nice smooth consistency. Transfer the ground masala to a bowl and keep it aside. To a wide kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and roast it. Then add the ground masala paste and cook it on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt and mix it all well till the spice powders blend with the ground masala paste. Then add 1 cup of water and mix it again. Now add the roasted cauliflowers and half cup of fresh cooked peas and mix everything well. I'm just going to add about half cup of water to get the gravy going. Close the kadai at this point and cook for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. After 10 minutes, open the kadai and you can see the cauliflower gravy has come out so beautifully. Finally, I'm garnishing with some crushed kasuri methi and some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it all well. There you go, here is this yummy and delicious and creamy cauliflower gravy that is ready to be served with rotis, chapatis, puris, idlis or any pulaus of your choice. Well, it's time to taste this yummy cauliflower matar gravy. I'm serving with chapati today. So, here you go. Wow. The flavors are just incredible. It's just a mouthful of such deliciousness. Well, I really enjoyed that gravy. It was so flavorful and so rich and creamy, and it was a perfect combination for chapatis. Now you can enjoy this with any rotis or any mild pulaus. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.